हेलो बच्चों, आज का पोएम है पीकॉक डांस। तो चलो शुरू करते हैं। पीकॉक विथ योर feathers bright, peacock with your feathers bright, blue and green, a lovely sight. When the rain begins to fall, when the rain begins to fall, you dance and twirl and charm us all. You dance and twirl and charm us all with your crown and colors wide, with your crown and colors wide. You walk with grace, you move with pride. You walk with grace, you move with pride. Nature's rainbow on the ground, nature's rainbow on the ground. Spinning slowly round and round, spinning slowly round and round. Thank you.